Hello and welcome, my friends. Today, we will talk about a very important subject, which is teaching computer basics. There are many ways to teach the basics of computers. In this video, we will cover the most important ways of learning with an example of each way. Let's start. Teaching programming fundamentals should be part of any homeschool curriculum. It is essential that learners not only know the fundamentals of typing and word processing, but rather that students know how to use the available internet and popular programs. An early exposure to typing makes sense during the later elementary years. The fundamentals of the keyboard will be mastered by many children simply by exposure. Knowing how to type correctly, however, will mean that your student can access the keyboard easily and be able to perform simple keyboard functions. When children have learned the ability to write, it will become easier to delegate word processing tasks. Although you obviously want your student to know the fundamentals of using a program like Phrase, bear in mind that computer technology changes very quickly, too. Thus, teaching using projects where they can learn by experimenting rather than hammering on fine details is a good idea. While digital photography may not be seen as a requirement in the same way that students have to learn to type, there is no denying that knowing how to work with digital cameras and photography software is a skill that will be extremely useful. It is something that your child is likely to master quite quickly using the internet. In reality, if your child has ever learned online, you will find that there is not a lot of teaching that requires to be done, but more exploring. There are a number of strategies to help your child get secure search online. Please watch the video titled with Kid-Safe Browsers and Search Sites 2020. It is not difficult to make sure your child is computer literate. Tools and possibilities are continually changing, however, they abound. When you plan your year, try to combine your computer lessons with other activities you do in homeschool and keep in mind a loosely specified course of study so that you can be sure to cover all your bases. Our channel is a free tool to start. Please have a look into the playlists below. And the links are in the comments box. Please like the video and share it to your friends. And please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive all news about the computer world. Thank you.